Before we get started, hit subscribe so you never miss my quick productivity tutorials. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling, but sometimes you'll need to block out certain days. Maybe you're on vacation, heading to an appointment, or just need a break. Let me show you how to do it. First, log into your Calendly account and make sure your browser is up to date so everything runs smoothly. From the home page, look at the left-hand menu and click on Availability. This section controls when people can and can't book time with you. Inside, you will see an option called Date Specific Hours. This is where you can customize individual days. Click the plus sign next to Add Hours and a calendar will appear. Now simply select the date or multiple dates that you want to block off. Once you've chosen the day, mark it as unavailable by clicking the X. This tells Calendly you're not taking appointments that day, and it removes the option from your booking calendar. It's a quick and reliable way to prevent any last-minute surprises. Finally, click Apply to confirm your choices. Those blocked dates are now saved and anyone trying to schedule with you won't see them as available. And that's it. You've successfully blocked dates in Calendly. It's a simple trick that keeps your calendar organized and ensures you stay in control of your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that make managing your schedule easier.